Hello students, in this video we will learn the application of linear graph. Using the graph obtained, we can predict the value of one quantity if the value of other quantity is known. For example, in this question, the production level of a factory and cost of production is given by the relation y is equal to 50x plus 400. Here, x is number of units produced and y is cost of production in rupees. Now we are going to draw the graph for this relation. We have taken the relation y is equal to 50x plus 400. We are going to substitute the values of x as 1, 2, 3 and 4. When value of x is 1, if you put in this relation y is equal to 50x plus 400, y is equal to 50, in the place of x substitute 1 plus 400. 50 into 1 is 50 plus 400. 50 plus 400 is 450. So when x is equal to 1, we got y is equal to 450. For 1 unit, the cost of production is 450. Similarly, we will substitute x equal to 2. When x equal to 2, y is equal to 50 into 2 plus 400. 50 into 2 is 100 plus 400. 100 plus 400 is 500. So when x equal to 2, we got y is equal to 500. We'll put in the tabular column. When x equal to 2, y is equal to 500. Similarly, we will substitute the value of x as 3. When x equal to 3, y is equal to 50 into 3 plus 400. 50 into 3 is 150 plus 400. 150 plus 400 is 550. So for x equal to 3, we got y as 550. I'll put in the tabular column. And similarly, for x equal to 4, y is equal to 50 into 4 plus 400. 50 into 4 is 200 plus 4, which is equal to 200 plus 400 is 600. For x equal to 4, we got y as 600. Once we finish the tabular column, we'll plot these points in our graph. We'll plot the point 1, 450 in the graph. 1 is here and 450 is here, and our point 1, 450 will lie here. Similarly, we'll plot the point 2, 500. 2 and 5. Point 2, 500 will lie here. And third, we'll plot the point 3, 550. 3, 550 will be here. Next, 4, 600. 4, 600 will lie here. So we'll write the points as 1, 450. Next, 2, 500. Next, 3, 550. Finally, 4, 600. Once we plot the points, we'll join these points using scale. This is our graph for the relation y is equal to 50x plus 400. Using this graph, we are going to predict the cost of production if 8 units are produced. Number of units is 8. So from here, we'll draw line to our line graph. Once we reach here, to find the cost of production, we'll move towards the y-axis because y-axis is cost of production. Our segment is intersecting at the point 800. So the cost of production will be rupees 800. So from the graph, the cost of production is 800 rupees if 8 units are produced. This is how you have to find the value if one value is known. That is, here we are finding the cost of production for the units 8. That's all, students. Thank you.